Hello, today let's prepare together a classic butter donut with a pleasant sandy texture. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and let's start immediately with the recipe. Let's start by buttering a 24 cm diameter donut mold. Then pour into the bowl 250 grams of butter, softened at room temperature, and 300 grams of granulated sugar. Whisk at medium to low speed for a few minutes. Then pour 150 milliliters of fresh milk. Then add 500 grams of sifted flour. With 100 grams of potato starch. And a 15-gram sachet of baking powder. Blend again to incorporate well the powders. And add a pinch of salt. 2 egg yolks and 3 medium eggs. Blend until a homogeneous mixture is obtained. Then distribute the dough evenly in the donut mold. And carefully level it with a spatula. To finish it, distribute a large portion of grains of sugar on the dough. Bake in a static oven preheated to 190 Celsius degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. We let the donut cool, and then we can serve it for a tasty snack or for breakfast. We keep the donut in a plastic bag away from humidity. If you liked the video, share it. Click like and subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell to receive notifications of upcoming videos. If you have questions or want to leave a greeting, do not hesitate to write a comment below. See you at the next video.